Welcome to Speakology AI. Today, you will learn how to create your own video calls with your own topics, in case you don't find any of them on our template and you want to manage the same content that you have on your curriculum. First, you just have to come to sign in, then please come to the teaching tab and go to the organize page. From here, I will always recommend to do it with the chapter view on, so you will have a better view of how the activity will look like. Then we will click add new activity and click on video call. From here, what we need to do is just type what will be the topic that you want to work on. We recommend this to do it in the target language, so students will read it in the language they are learning. Then we just have to pick the proficiency level for this activity. We can just select any of them depending on the course you are working on. And after that, we can use our AI tool to create the whole content. For this example, I will just create the introduction message with my AI, and I can edit it at any time. For example, I can delete or I can add more information. Then I will create the vocabulary. So if you already have some vocabulary, you just have to copy and paste it. You can type here all the vocabs, verbs, adjectives, everything you need the students to practice on. Then if you want to practice on a specific verb tense, you can also type it here. I will use my AI tool, but for example, for this activity, I only want to practice in present simple and present continuous. Then we will generate some AI questions, so it will be much easier. And from here, let's say that I don't want some of these activities. So I will just delete some of them and leave it like this. We can also upload an image if we want to have an image during our call. We have more advanced settings here. So first, we can decide who will lead the conversation, if the AI or the student. If it is a very novice student, we recommend to let the AI. And if we have an advanced student, we recommend to leave the student to lead the conversation. Also, we can select this option to let the instructor correct the student in their native language, in case it is a newcomer or a very novice student. And also, we can select if we want to do not correct mistakes only when they do not use the target language, less frequent like corrections, also all mistakes, or just let the AI decide when to correct the student. And last one, we can select how to the instructor will give the feedback if we want it to be explicit or during the conversation or as a clarification or just let the AI decide. And also we have the options to make the instructor to ask the students to repeat when they make mistakes. After we select all the settings options, we just have to come to create module and everything will be here. We can make assignments, we can click here and share the link, we can remove the activity, we can edit the activity at any time, and also we can try the activity from here. I hope this is very helpful, and now you can add all the activities from your curriculum in your course. Thank you.